You're so good at that. Oh. You're so good at eating your vegetables. Oh, it's not in your mouth, big guy. Oh, you can't. It's stuck. It's stuck. Oh, did you get me in your mouth there? 'Cause I know you dropped some. Calm down. Take it slow. Don't panic. Don't panic. Nathan. You're panicking. That's why you're not able to pick it up. Alright. Try again. Eat your vegetables. You know you're being recorded? Is that why? Oh, are you talking to the camera now? Huh? You don't want to eat your vegetables anymore because you know Mommy's recording? Are you staring right at the camera? You're staring right at the camera, aren't you? Okay, you want me to turn off the camera? Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Can you eat some more vegetables, Nathan? Eat more vegetables. What are you looking at? Eat your green peas, please. What are you doing? What are you doing, you silly baby? Eat your peas. Good boy. Good job. Yeah, way to go. Way to go. Good job. Keep going. What are you looking at? Nathan, can you eat all your vegetables, please? What are you doing? Sit up straight, please.